Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Save the Republic. Thank you to all of you for being here to have this little autonomous vehicle competition. Let the games begin.
So what we're looking at, swarming would be defined as multiple robotics entities working together to achieve a goal autonomously. Here's a real case scenario. You're just competing, you're playing soccer in the air, but what swarming techniques are you going to use?
The idea of the competition is really not a competition, it's more of a collaboration. The idea being at the end of the collaboration, we'll share best practices, all to solve pragmatic problems for the national security operations.
So being able to put our algorithms onto real-world agents, that allows us to test it in a kind of real-world environment. We're able to run into other adversarial agents where we don't actually know what they're doing. Also teaches the students and the other researchers about the limitations.
We can think about challenges in two ways. There's the engineering challenge, and then there's the logistics challenge. Like everything about this experience, IU has made it more pleasant, a lot more convenient, and a lot more effective at working at this project.
And the absolute best thing about this project is that I can involve absolutely anyone that wants to come work with me.
And so what we'd like to see is that this become a biannual event, and I can see already that it's going to grow and grow as we begin to move forward. So really a great opportunity for IU and a great opportunity for the research space.